G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen. Welcome to this session of Scoop School. Bit of silliness happening here today, but hey, the ice cream business is supposed to be fun, so if you're looking at that entry and saying, that's not very good, well then you can go and watch another channel. That's fine, there's millions of them. Welcome to this session, nice to have you along. We are having a good time down here at the Scoop School lab, filming these content sessions for you, but it's all made possible by the sponsors. The sponsor for this particular episode is the Ice Cream Club, Boynton Beach, Florida. I don't know if they give tours, but if you're down in Boynton Beach, knock on the door, ask for Rich and Heather Draper. Say, Steve said I could have a tour. I don't know whether they'll let you or not, but they make great quality ice cream that you can sell in your ice cream shop. You can sell it in a grocery store. They have pints and quarts, all sorts of things. TheIceCreamClub.com, they have helped sponsor this episode, well, they did sponsor this episode and helping us create this content for you. So click on the link down here and tell them that, tell them that you said hello and you heard it from us. Now, I want to talk today about something that if you do not get parameters on this, it will go out of control. It's called food swaps. Now, I'll tell you that in jest, every time I speak to a product company, a service company, anything that needs to be done around the house, a plumber that comes, hey, I'll pay you an ice cream, and everyone gets a good laugh. But food swaps do happen, and you can actually build up some good friendships and alliances with other stores, other food stores, product stores, other businesses around you. I guess it's called the barter system, if you will. But you've got to make sure that you have some pretty tight parameters on food swaps, because when the kids are in the kitchen, when you're not in the store and the kids are in charge, well, things can get a little bit out of control. Our store that we had here in St. Louis, there was a local pizza place, Emo's Pizza, franchise owned, and we were working in the store late one night. Anyway, we were working in the store late one night, and someone said, hey, can we get some pizza, maybe swap some quarts or some pints for some pizza? And I said, yeah, it's a pretty good idea, let's do it. So I called up the Emo's Pizza here. Hey, can we swap some pizzas? Absolutely, they love ice cream, they're sick of pizza, we love pizza, we're sick of ice cream. So we did a food swap, and it was cool. And I think we did it maybe one other time when we were down early in the morning, maybe having a staff meeting, we swapped some ice cream for another business, and worked very well. I thought that was it. I thought that, well, if I'm not the one that's asking for the food swap, it's probably not happening. Oh, no. I ended up discovering that food swaps were happening with the pizza place, with the curry place, with all sorts of places multiple times a week, where employees and managers would say, hey, we got some quarts here, let's call up another place and get some tacos, or let's get some pizza, or let's get some whatever. And I do think that you need to have in your policy and procedure manual conditions about food swaps, because if you are in the business, and I can see you shaking your head, you've been there before, you know that your crew, your managers, as good-hearted as they want to be, don't really understand the value of a pint or a quart. And when your crew starts to look at your products as a bartering process to get them stuff, you can be in a world of hurt. So food swaps are great. Do make sure that you have some parameters around them. Put them, or the conditions of those parameters, in your policy and procedure manual, and you should be okay. You should be. No promises. Promises. If you have any questions, concerns, problems about the ice cream business, hey, we're here to help you. We're happy to do it. I was told in the last video that I said the word leave a message down below, and that was very 53-year-old manish. Leave a comment down below. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you very much for our episode sponsor, which is the Ice Cream Club. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video. We were working in the store late one night.